tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Santa, tell me if he really cares, 'cause I can't give it all away if you won't be here next year. Feeling Christmas all around.
What is up, Govee fam? So we're here at this house behind me. We're getting ready. You guys have asked for it. I'm gonna give you a full, what I would say is pro installer walkthrough with perm track, with interior recess box power mounting, all the splicing, all the track installation and customization, the jumps through the attic. We're gonna do it all. So stay tuned to the end so you can see the final project. And as always, thank you for watching today. Please like and subscribe if you find this information useful. It greatly helps me and my family. So let's check out the house. First thing we want to do is we want to check out our power situation. Typically what we do is we're going to find our plug. We got our GFCI plug here that we're going to utilize, and we're going to put our recess box right in here to go with that plug. So what that means is we've got to go up in the attic here and get our wire ran down through this wall so we can do our recess box for the Govee power supply there. Garage here, we come around this corner and we know that our power, is right on the other side of this wall here. So we're gonna, go up through the wall, out this soffit to start our lights. However, we want to cover this whole run. So when we go up through the inside wall here, we're gonna run our 12-foot controller cable, and then our maybe an extension, probably just need, if anything, a 4-foot extension here. And we're gonna start our run right there. And so all of our extension and everything is gonna take place in the attic. Then we gotta check our framing and angles here for getting, these lights are actually gonna help us because there's gonna be wire already ran to those lights that we can kind of just follow for our jumps. But we don't want wrap around here if we can avoid it on this one. We want to go up into the attic and then out right below on top of that roof line there to run up and over and down. Then when we get to there, we're gonna run from there around to there. We're gonna do our interior jump again there. We're gonna go up and down. Right up there, we're gonna go in the bottom there and run up to meet that. There'd be an interior extension there, and then again there and there, and we're gonna go back probably the full length so that we can get in the attic and then come out right here, right up there, and then up and over. We'll do our interior jump, little jump from up to down here. Do a little jump down to there inside the attic and over to finish off with this corner. As you can see, there's gonna be a lot going into this one. This is gonna be a fun one. We'll show you the attic here in just a minute. Here we are in the attic. You can see, I shine my light, so see, this is going to be the wire that's going down to that recessed light that's out there, and this is going to be the wire that is going to the plug-in. And so we're going to probably use right here, right in the top of that header 2x4, we're going to drill a hole right in the middle of that. And then that's how we're going to run our wire in between the drywall and the outside wall. This is what is called an installer bit. And this one is Oh, I wish I could remember the inches, like 36 inches, something like that. But you can see it's got flex to it, and the longer you get, the more flex you can get. And for this application, being that we have quite a bit of space over there, this should work just fine. This comes in really handy. Now these are made to drill up, you know, start at the bottom, cut the hole in the wall, start at the bottom and drill up. But we don't want to do that because your installer bit can tear up the side of the drywall and whatnot. We've got access up here. It's better to drill the hole up top first and then run the wire. We know that if you look up there, that rafter right there, we drilled just the right of that. So, and the base runner is right here. So we're gonna come and look for that's gonna be just to the left of the irrigation box here. They actually want to take this plug and it's in their way. So they went ahead and contracted us to take this plug and move it up, which will work out great. So we can put our recess box here instead of over here like we're talking about. So we're gonna cut our decent size hole here, but smaller than the box for now, so we have access to get in between these two studs. You always know that there's a stud running on either the left or right side of a plug. So we'll be able to, we know I've used a stud finder here like that to know that the stud is on the right side, so I can move it anywhere in between these two studs. And so we're gonna take it, move it up, and do our recess box here. Every Govee kit, or every recess box kit is gonna come with anchors and screws. You guys can see. So those are really really easy. I like to make it easy, so I'm just gonna press a little hole where I know I need them to go, like that. And then you can pre-drill. Like, I'm actually not even gonna need to use anchors here because we have a stud right here. So that's okay. We'll just use the anchors here. And then we'll go ahead, put our box back in, put our screws in. And then we take our power supply connection, connect it here to the controller. And this sits just like so. And then we've got our cap, our lid, lid pressure fits, bam, in like flat. And you've got right here, see if you guys can see that, you got the reset button and power button. You don't have to take the cover off to do a reset or on off or anything like that. How we got that done. to wish you all a great holiday season, Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year. I've got to take a little time to spend it with family before we dive into the rest of this. I want to thank everybody for supporting me this year and subscribing to the YouTube channel. I'm going to bring you lots of good stuff. We've got the recessed box now. We've got Govee Perm Track, which is now made in the USA, shipping this week all over the country. And so thank you guys all for your patience and your support, and please subscribe so that we can show you the rest of this install and help all of the other installers and DIYers out there, and you'll have a great season.